Let's be honest, being young in Australia right now, it's a financial obstacle course. With housing prices up 25% since 2023, the dream of buying your first home feels further away than ever. Rent is skyrocketing. Groceries cost a small fortune. And that HECS debt, it's growing faster than your savings account. And yet, no one teaches us how to actually manage money in this economy. But here's the good news. Budgeting isn't about cutting out your coffee. It's about knowing where your money goes, so you can tell it where to go instead. Here's something that might shock you. According to CommBank research, Australians under 30 spend an average of $4,200 annually on subscription services they barely use. That's nearly 2 months' rent in many regional areas, just disappearing from your account in small increments without many noticing. Here's the reality. As of 2025, the average weekly rent in capital cities like Sydney and Melbourne is over $650 a week, and grocery costs have risen 9.2% year on year according to the ABS. Meanwhile, most 20-somethings earn under $65,000 a year, and many are juggling HECS help debt, car repayments, or even buy now, pay later traps. No wonder why we feel financially behind. But that's exactly why budgeting is more important than ever. Budgeting isn't a spreadsheet thing. It's a freedom thing. It means knowing your inflows, controlling your outflows, and making your money work for you. It doesn't matter if you're earning $300 a week or $3,000. Budgeting helps you stay in control, reduce stress, and actually build towards something bigger. Let's talk about budgeting methods that actually work, especially for young Aussies. The first budgeting method is the 50-30-20 rule. This method uses 50% for needs like rent, groceries, or transport, 30% for wants like nights out or subscriptions, and 20% for savings or debt repayments. It's flexible and works well for stable incomes. 2. The Barefoot investor buckets. If you're into Aussie finance, you've probably heard of this one. Scott Pape's Barefoot buckets split your income into separate accounts such as daily expenses, splurge, smile for long-term goals, and fire extinguisher for emergencies or debt. It's like giving every dollar a purpose, and it's super practical with banks like Up or ING that let you name your accounts. 3. Zero-based budgeting. This one's for the detail lovers. Every single dollar gets assigned a job. If you earn $3,000 this month, you plan exactly where that $3,000 goes down to the last dollar. The goal is to end at zero. It's amazing for freelancers, shift workers, or anyone with variable income. 4. The set and forget method. If you hate micromanaging money, try this. Set up automatic transfers for bills, savings, and spending. Let your bank or budgeting app sort everything in the background. Apps like UpBank, WeMoney, or Frollo have savers that can track and categorize your spending with zero effort. Take Mia from Brisbane, for example. As a 24-year-old nurse working shift work, she struggled with inconsistent income until she tried zero-based budgeting. Within 6 months, she cleared her $3,200 credit card debt and saved enough for a 2-week trip to Bali, all while earning just above minimum wage. The difference wasn't earning more, it was knowing exactly where every dollar went. Okay, so what gets in the way? Here are 3 budgeting roadblocks that young Aussies face all the time. Housing costs. Rents in major cities are eating up more than 40% of take-home pay. If you can, share housing or look outside the CBD to keep costs low. HECS help. Education debt. It's out of sight, but it's not free. In 2025, it's indexed at 4.7% annually, higher than most savings accounts. Earning inconsistent income is also a common challenge. If you're a student or a casual worker, your budgeting strategy needs to adapt. Try using a 2-3-month average to get your base income. Here's your first step. Open your bank app, scroll through the last 30 days, and see where your money's really going. You can't change what you don't track. Following this, pick one of the budgeting methods from this video. Set up your system and review it once a week. That's it! This was your first step into smart money management, and we've got heaps more coming. From saving strategies to real investing approaches made for young Aussies. If this video helped you, hit subscribe and tap the notification bell so you don't miss our next video, 5 saving strategies that actually work for Australians. And I'm curious, which budgeting method are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below.